I've had long hair since my school days. It's been my signature look for as long as I can remember. But today, it's all coming off. I'm Amelia, and I'm shaving it all to raise money for pediatric cancer research. Let's do this. They say a woman's hair is her crowning glory. And for as long as I can remember, mine was my safety blanket. It was my identity. But a few months ago, I realized identity isn't what's on your head. It's what's in your heart. I set a goal. If we could raise $10,000 for the St. Baldrick's Foundation to support pediatric cancer research, the hair was history. Honestly, I didn't think we'd hit it. But you guys, you absolutely shattered it in less than 2 weeks. So, today is the day. Watching those first few inches fall to the floor, I'm not going to lie, my heart was pounding. It felt like letting go of a piece of myself. But then I remembered the kids fighting a battle they didn't ask for every single day. Suddenly, a little bit of hair felt like nothing at all. With every buzz of the clippers, the weight didn't just leave my head, it left my shoulders. It's crazy how stripping away your biggest insecurity can make you feel completely unstoppable. No filters, no hiding. Just me. We did it. $10,000 that will directly fund life-saving research. To anyone out there holding on to something that defines you, sometimes, you have to lose it all to find out how strong you really are. Thank you for being part of this journey. We changed lives today.